As a female solo traveler, palagi ako natatanong, hindi ka ba natatakot magkasakit tapos mag-isa ka lang? Girl, praning ako by default. Kaya naman meron akong story time sa inyo way back 2020. Just before the lockdown, I was on a 3-country trip. Vietnam, Cambodia, Thailand. And while that sounds fun, that trip almost became a medical disaster. That week, in-announce na nila yung mga travel ban, yung mga cancelled flights, and countries were already closing their borders as in overnight. Every time that I would check my phone, may bagong news, last flight out daw, quarantine starts tomorrow daw. Kaya naman, I was already planning exit routes in my head. Buti na lang I managed to get home in time. But few months after the first lockdown, I got COVID. And that's when I developed asthma. And girl, ang mahal magkasakit ha. Etong puff ko pa lang nasa 1.5 na yan. Hindi pa dyan kasama yung check-up ko with the cardio, yung ECG, yung to the echo, tapos yung pulmo ko pa. Imagine the expenses, hindi pa ako na-confine yan. And that's when it hit me. What if nagka-COVID ako during my trip? Or what if hindi ako nakauwi agad? Or worse, what if na-hospitalize ako abroad? Buta na lang, insured ako that time. I've always had my life and health insurance in the Philippines, and I make it to a point to get a travel insurance for my trips abroad. Para covered ako kahit saan ako mapadpad or kahit ano yung gawin ko. And recently, I discovered Pacific Cross Select and Blue Royale. It covers me for both medical and travel emergencies. It's super helpful, especially when we deal with seasonal health issues like dengue, leptospirosis, chickenpox, measles, and more. Actually, kung tutuusin, you don't have to be far away from home for anything to happen. Hindi mo talaga masasabi. Pwede nga madulas nga ako dyan sa banyo habang naliligo. And baka ER trip na yung next trip ko, di ba? Lagi naman Pacific Cross yung travel insurance ko, like itong recent trip ko to Korea. Pero dahil nga praning ako, naiisip ko, paano when I'm not traveling? I still need protection for my health. To be honest, Blue Royale is kinda mahal, but for a good reason. Imagine, $2 million yung coverage mo dito worldwide. But of course, if tighter yung budget, I'd actually consider getting Pacific Cross Select. This one naman, yung coverage ko is 5 million pesos. And for someone like me in my 30s, the plan starts at 16,000 pesos per year for semi-private room. What do I like even more? Mental health is covered. So, hindi lang siya for emergencies. It's a holistic health plan. And let's be real. I already have HMO, life insurance, health insurance, and even burial plans. Travel insurance, meron din every time I fly out. Kaya this plan just ties everything together. If I add this all up, plus yung 1,000 to 2,000 pesos na travel insurance ko every trip, actually, yung price nilang lahat, halos equivalent lang din sa isang Pacific Cross Blue Royale plan. So for someone who travels monthly or just wants full year peace of mind, actually this one makes sense. Our age, health is wealth talaga. Emergencies do not wait. So investing in your health, that's not an expense. It's an investment for your future self.